locations icon is where items are identified as being stocked. For example, in this database, location 1 is located in Seattle. Each location contains an address page. In addition to assigning the address of the location, a location can be assigned as either physical or logical. A physical location is typically a warehouse or a section of a warehouse where items can be received, stocked, and sold. Logical locations indicate a virtual location where items exist but cannot be received to or sold from. Typically, logical locations refer to items that are in transit between locations, such as on a truck, train, or ship. Items existing in a logical location appear in reports and inquiries. However, they are not available for sale, at least temporarily. The contact page contains the name and contact information for the location, where the integration page can perform a general ledger override on a particular segment. In the example shown here, there is a region override of 10 occurring. So how does this work? We haven't discussed the general ledger accounts yet, but let's assume a sales revenue account for a category of items is to be posted to the region 20 account. If the item is sold from the Seattle location, Accpac automatically overrides the region segment, and instead of being posted with a region 20 account, it is posted using the region 10 account. The segment name region, shown here, is an account segment name defined within General Ledger. It's important to know that if the default account, the sales account in this example, did not contain a region account segment specified in the category, then no override occurs. This is a good way to have the system automatically alter which General Ledger accounts get posted, so a regionalized income statement can be generated, showing sales without having to do a manual override when a transaction is entered. Depending on one of the IC option settings, the windows shown here for a location appear slightly different. Let's return to the IC options icon within Setup. If within IC options, the option Allow Items at All Locations is deselected, an additional page within the Locations icon becomes available. With this option now deselected, let's return to the Locations icon. A new page called Items appears. This is where items are included, linked, or excluded, not linked, for a particular location by choosing either yes or no. This item is allowed, where this one is not. If a receipt for this item is entered at this location, Inventory Control displays an error message because it isn't allowed.
Now, let's take a look at account sets.